to go over this lymphatic system chart to go over some of the main vessels and organs that make up the lymphatic system. You know, the lymphatic system is basically what it's going to do is it's going to get all the interstitial fluid, which is the liquid between our skin and our bloodstream. It's going to get all that interstitial fluid and pretty much take it through the lymphatic system and clean it. Much like a sewer system would get the water from the streets after it rains, and the water goes down the gutters and eventually goes to a sewer treatment plant where the water gets processed. So basically that's what the lymphatic system does. It just cleans our interstitial fluid. It also takes in our fat and stores it in little pockets called chylomicrons and helps break down the fat. Okay, so here's the lymphatic system chart. Let's go over the nodes that are most popular. Here you have the cervical nodes up here. It's going to be the axillary nodes in the armpit. Okay. Here you have the inguinal nodes, right where the hips are at. All nodes. And then we have our largest lymph node, which is called the Cisterna Chyli. It's this one right here. Cisterna Chyli. And Cisterna Chyli, you see it wrapping around here at the celiac trunk. Okay. And let's look at what a node looks like. Okay. Here you have a typical node that we just mentioned, a few of them. But notice how the node has a bunch of afferent vessels leading into the lymph node. And in here you have a bunch of white blood cells that help clean the debris. And then we have one efferent vessel. Okay, so let's look up here. Here you see a tonsil, it's lymphatic tissue. And here you see the thymus. Okay, this is the thymus here. The thymus will process all the viruses and bacteria on a newborn. So you can recognize it as in the adult as good or bad. And then here we have the largest lymphatic organ, which is the spleen. Okay, and the spleen is made up of two pulps. We have the white pulp and the red pulp. Okay. The white pulp is going to produce white blood cells, and the red pulp is going to destroy worn out red blood cells. Okay. So the thoracic duct starts here in the belly button, or the left lymphatic duct goes up and empties into the left subclavian vein, and the right lymphatic duct empties into the right subclavian vein. All right, well, that's about it for the charts here. Take care, and I will see you next time.